Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. In this video I will show you how to fix Minecraft Java fail to create profile. So this happens for reasons. Some of the reasons are you maybe have a VPN open, or maybe there is something that is not stopping you from creating, or a profile. Minecraft, basically you can see that you can be like bunch of metals here. So for log out and then log in has helped most of the time, because this is kindly like a religious. So this system, when it has been Minecraft Java fail to create profile, you can try the second. You can close your browser, you can try it this as well. You can change the Minecraft from the launcher of our Windows 7 or 8, or just change the Minecraft launcher a version for maybe in Minecraft a launcher version previously and obviously people launcher from the official website. Install or go to web browser, right? So I know it again, this happens a lot. Obviously has a lot of different ways to how you can fix on this, but mainly these are all the way that you can see this right now. Usually that happens, is that maybe you don't have a Minecraft launcher correct microphone, you have correct version of Minecraft launcher, and everything is up to date. Issue and error, if you it is not solved, make sure go to your Minecraft and make sure to go to their so create a support, so you can go there and I know solves this problem for the support. So hopefully you will learn, and this see you in the next video.